everyone, welcome back to eBird English lessons. And in this lesson, I'm going to discuss how to use simple present tense. Simple present tense. සරල වර්තමාන කාලය කොහොමද use කරන්නේ කියලා මේ lessons එකේදී discuss කරන්නයි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ. With action verbs. ඒ කියන්නේ ක්‍රියාපද එක්ක. In my first lesson, I taught you how to use am, is, are with a complement in simple present tense also. So, here, I am going to talk about the positive form in this lesson. ඒ කියන්නේ ඇත යන අර්ථයේ present tense එකේදී action verbs එක අපි කොහොමද වාක්‍ය හදන්නේ කියලා තමයි කතා කරන්න යන්නේ. Normally, we use simple present tense to express our habitual activities or our habits, regular activities. අපේ පුරුදු, අපි කරන දේවල්, දිනපතා, අඛණ්ඩව, එහෙම නැත්නම් සතියකට සැරයක්, මාසයකට සැරයක් මෙහෙම කරන දේවල් අපිට express කරන්න පුළුවන් using simple present tense. So, let's go with the format. As you know, the format should be subject, verb and object. So, for the subject, these are the things which we can take. The pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Plus, you can use plural nouns and also singular nouns. මේ ටික ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා. So, here, let's move to the other part. How to use the verb when forming positive sentences in present tense. Here, for the pronouns I, we, you, they and plural nouns, we can use the verb in base form. Then for he, she, it and for the singular nouns, we have to make a small change. For the verb, we have to add either s or es. Sometimes, if the verb ends with y, we have to omit this y and add ies. So, then, after this, we can put the rest as the object. Subject, verb, object. This is the format of forming positive sentences in simple present tense. Now, let's make some sentences. Look at those pictures. Right, now I'm going to teach you how to use these adverbs in simple present tense. Let's have a look. Always, සෑම විටම, never, කවදාවත් නෑ, often, නිතරම, sometimes, සමහර වෙලාවට, usually, सामान्य. So, this is the format of using these adverbs in simple present tense. We have to put these adverbs between the subject and the verb. Like this. She always arrives at work early. ඇය සෑම විටම වැඩට වේලාසන එනවා. I usually go to work by car, but sometimes I walk. මම සාමාන්‍යයෙන් වැඩට යන්නේ කාර් එකේ. සමහර වෙලාවට මම පයින්නුත් යනවා. I usually go to work by car, but sometimes I walk. Julia never eats meat. Julia කවදාවත් මස් කන්නේ නැහැ. Julia never eats meat. Our uncle lives near here. අපේ uncle ජීවත් වෙන්නේ මේ ළඟ. Our uncle lives near here. We often see him. අපි ඔහුව නිතරම දකිනවා. We often see him. I think now you got a brief idea about forming sentences in simple present tense. So let's meet soon with the other part of the same lesson. See you soon.